Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the home of Mercedes-Benz. It's an extraordinary privilege to have you with us tonight, right here in the Mercedes-Benz Museum. The first reason we're all here tonight, to celebrate a birthday 140 years to the day since the invention of the automobile. An invention that changed the world and propelled Mercedes-Benz to where we stand today. It gave us a unique position in the automotive industry, one that no competitor can ever claim. We are more than just a car brand. We are the inventor of the automobile. Today, the automotive industry is one of Europe's most important and innovative sectors, providing jobs to roughly 13 million Europeans along the value chain. Our industry contributes to 7% of the EU's GDP and accounts for 1/3 of Europe's private R&D investments. 2 years ago, every single one of Germany's top 10 patent applicants came from the automotive sector. And it's our industry that generates over 390 billion euros in government revenue all across Europe. It's mind-blowing to think all this began 140 years ago with the vision and ingenuity of Gottlieb Daimler and Carl Benz. Over the decades, Mercedes-Benz became a cultural institution, leaving its mark not just on the road, but in entertainment, sports, arts, music, and fashion. This is our legacy, and we honor it every single day. Tonight is the world premiere of a car that embodies innovation and excellence like no other, the legendary S-Class. This icon perfectly bridges our past and our future. So it's no coincidence that we chose the S-Class to kick off our 140-year anniversary and to carry forward the momentum of the biggest product launch program in Mercedes-Benz history. The vehicle we know as the S-Class became the benchmark for automotive excellence itself.
The new S-Class represents the most comprehensive powertrain update within a single generation. From an all-new electrified V8 to the plug-in hybrid with up to 100 kilometers of electric range. Every engine is now electrified and future-ready. But the true revolution is happening inside the car with MB.OS, our Mercedes-Benz operating system. Think of it as a supercomputer that connects everything in the car. Of course, this enables over-the-air updates, so your S-Class evolves and becomes more intelligent over time. As you've just seen, our ambition is to enable level 4 capabilities for the S-Class in collaboration with some of the best partners in the world. So, why the S-Class? Because it's a perfect blend for a robotaxi platform. Unmatched comfort and safety combined with the intelligence of MB.OS. So let me explain. The S-Class enables what is known as fail-safe operations. It integrates redundancies for steering, braking, compute, and power supply. When combined with MB.OS, it results in the perfect launchpad for a driverless shuttle service. Creating an open ecosystem requires the best minds in the industry. For example, we're partnering with NVIDIA for hardware and with software leaders such as Momenta and NVIDIA for level 4 capabilities. Ride services like Uber and Lumo will bring the experience to the streets. The first S-Class test vehicles in Abu Dhabi will be deployed on the roads later this year, with more locations in America, Europe, and Asia to follow. For us, these partnerships mark the beginning of our entry into the robotaxi market. And the S-Class with MBOS is the ultimate platform for level 4 driving. Comfortable and safe, because that has been part of our DNA for more than 140 years. So the robotaxi future is coming, and the S-Class is at the heart of it.
140 years after Carl Benz invented the automobile, the S-Class carries forward the legacy of engineering excellence, craftsmanship, and that unmistakable feeling of coming home. It's the blueprint for our entire top-end family, the GLS, the visionary VLS, and last but not least, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. Top-end vehicles don't follow trends. They define them. They are how we maintain the desirability of our brand. This car will bring our brand promise, welcome home, on the road. Well, quite literally. We'll celebrate our anniversary with an epic journey that spans the entire world. The S-Class will visit 140 places across continents, cultures, and communities. Along the way, we will meet Mercedes-Benz customers, fans, and friends, and tell their stories.